Hi everyone. We're going to start our lesson on one-point perspective, and I call this pop-up boxes. And the first thing you're going to do is take your ruler and make a horizon line. We've been talking about a horizon line, and we've also been talking about vanishing points. I'm going to make a vanishing point right here. Okay? Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, and I'm going to move this out of my camera here, on the top of the line you're going to make 4 boxes. They can be squares, they can be rectangles. There's 1. Now box 2 has to overlap box 3 somehow. So box 2 overlaps box 3, and then I'll make box 4. Now if you look, my boxes, I've drawn them freehand. They're not perfect, but don't worry, you're going to go back and neaten them up after. Now I'm going to go below the line, and I'm basically going to do the same thing. Here's box number 5, box number 6, and box number 7. They need to overlap. And then my last one, box number 8. So from this point, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to begin neatening up all of these boxes. And what you do is you just line it up and make sure your boxes are nice and neat. And of course, erase where you have to. And then turn this here. So we're getting in some nice ruler practice as well. Okay? Now I'm not going to make you watch me do mine. I have one already set up. Here's this. I'll put this out of the way. After you have your boxes neatened up, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to make connections to your vanishing point. So I'm going to start at this corner here, and I'm going to line it up to the vanishing point. And I have to hold the ruler firmly in the center and then take my pencil and connect, just like that. Okay? And I'm going to do that to all of these boxes. Now this corner here, now the one corner I'm not doing on this, I'll show you in a minute. You can see how it looks like it's popping out. I'm not doing this corner because if I do that, then it's going to look like you can see into the box. We're keeping this part solid. So now I'll move here. This corner overlaps this one, so I'm not going to do that, but I will go down to the other box number 3. I have to turn this a little bit. It does help when you're using the ruler to turn your paper. You don't want to, you want to make it as easy as possible for yourself to use the ruler. So here's, I'm lining up here to this corner, holding firmly and tracing. Here, tracing, and then the last corner here. And tracing. So if you look right at my top boxes, you can already see they're beginning to look like they're popping out. Now I'm going to go down here and do the same thing. I'm not going to do this in the video, but please, you go right ahead and connect your bottom squares, boxes, to the vanishing point. And notice how they all begin to look like they're popping out from that center point. So I will see you in the next video.